Have you ever wondered where Santa Claus lives? Today we are visiting the magical Santa Claus Village in Lapland, Finland, where Christmas feels alive every single day of the year. Welcome to the snowy wonderland of Santa Claus Village, located in the Arctic region of Finland. This magical place sits right on the Arctic Circle and attracts visitors from around the world who wants to have true winter experience. As you walk through the village, you will see charming wooden houses, sparkling lights, and snow covered paths that look straight out of the fairy tale. One of the most exciting moments here is crossing the famous Arctic Circle line. Yes, this line marks the start of the Arctic region, and many visitors love stopping here to take photos to celebrate the moment. Standing here feels special. You're officially in the Arctic. Congratulations! The highlight of the village is, of course, meeting Santa Claus himself. It's a magical experience for both kids and adults, and Santa is always happy to welcome guests from every corner of the world. Visitors can step inside Santa's office, meet him in person, and even take memorable photo like we took one. The village is also filled with cozy cafes and souvenir shops. From traditional Finnish handicrafts to warm hot chocolate, every corner here adds to the magical holiday atmosphere. Another unique place here is this official Santa Claus Post Office. Every year, millions of letters from children around the world arrive here, all addressed to Santa. You can even send postcards from this special post office stamped with the Arctic Circle postmark, like we did. No trip to Lapland would be complete without seeing Santa's famous reindeer. Visitors can enjoy a peaceful reindeer sleigh ride through the snowy forest, creating unforgettable winter memories. The village also offers exciting activities like snowmobiling, husky sledging, and magical northern light tours. As evening arrives, Santa Claus Village becomes even more magical. The glowing lights reflecting on the snow create a peaceful and dreamy atmosphere. Taking a quiet night walk through the village feels like walking inside a winter fairy tale. Take a quick break at Santa Claus Village Food Market, full of local Finnish flavors and warm, fresh bakery items that instantly lift your mood. Whether you are traveling with family, friends, or even solo, visiting Santa Claus Village in Lapland is like a stepping into a real life Christmas story. And who knows, you might just feel like kid again. If you enjoyed this journey to Santa's hometown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures around the world.